Welcome in new series of electrical installation and practices lectures. Definitely this type of lecture will help you and enhance the understanding of electrical installation. This course does not contain any type of calculation, notes and all these things. So it is only for the understanding purpose. The course description is the course explore the fundamental electrical installation and practical aspect of electrical components. It covered the measurement of electrical quantities using CTs and PTs. It also covers the electrical installation in the substation, introduce some different type of protective devices like MCB, ELCB, and circuit breaker. It also deals in transmission insulators. There are different type of insulators we are using in the substation. And last, it will deal with the electrical, uh, it will deal with some kind of different type of starters we are using in the different application and power factor improvement or correction. The course objectives are to understand the principle and practices of electrical installation. Second, to understand the measurement of electrical parameters using CT and PT. Third, to understand the construction, operation, and selection of protective devices like MCBs and ELCB. Fourth, to gain the knowledge of substation component and their installation. And fifth, to understand the different type of transmission line insulator and protective equipment. And last is to understand the motor starter and their practical application. Outcome of this course: explain the electrical installation practices and safety measures, measure electrical quantities using CT and PT, and demonstrate their installation in the substation. Next is identify and classify the MCB and ELCB based on their operating characteristic and type. Describe the different describe the type of insulators and lightning arresters used in the transmission line. Explain the operation of isolator and circuit breaker, and select and justify the operate motor starters for the different application. These are the some expected outcomes. Definitely this course does not, or this series does not include some calculations, notes and all these things. Only we'll see what are the different electrical installation components are there and what is the application and where it is going to install in the power system. So today we will see only the overview of this entire course. In the next lecture, we will go one by one in the detail. So the lectures contains the measurement of high voltage current and energy with the help of CT/PT. So the lecture contains need of instrument transformer, measurement of current and energy in high voltage circuits, type of current transformers in LT and HT. There are different CTs and PTs we are using, and what is the exact location in the substation. So say these are the some circuit diagrams to understand, and these are the practical CTs which we are using in the LT and say in the HT circuits for the substations. Similarly, what are the different type of cables are there? Their types, selections based on their termination. What are the different between termination and joints? HT cables, their terminations, components are there. Different type of multi-core cable, insulation resistance, and all these things which we are going to discuss. Now, similarly, in the wiring accessories, the critical selection is the MCB type of MCBs which we are going to deal, because MCB is going to protect the wiring as well as other equipments connected. So what are the criteria to select the rating and type of circuit breaker like B and C type of circuit breakers? Similarly, we are going to discuss some kind of earth protections, their installation, substation equipment, what are the different equipments or say line insulators are we are using in the substation, HT substation, LT substation, type of materials, and these are going to deal. Similarly, we are going to understand the isolator and circuit breakers. What are the different type of circuit breakers in the substations, what their applications, then instrument transformer, earthings, substation layout, and so on. So this will be definitely improve our understanding in the electrical installation. So next time we will go in the detail for the electrical installation one by one, and definitely it will improve our understanding in the same. So for that, this is the only the introduction of our new series, electrical installation and practices.